Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Honda Odyssey. This minivan is known for its spacious interior, family-friendly features, and reliable performance, and the 2024 model promises to be even better. The first thing you'll notice about the 2024 Odyssey is its redesigned exterior. It has a more modern and stylish look, with a bold grille, sleek headlights, and sculpted lines. It's definitely a minivan that won't get lost in the crowd. Interior. But of course, the real star of the show is the Odyssey's interior. It's incredibly spacious and comfortable, with seating for up to 8 passengers. The second-row seats offer magic slide functionality, which makes it easy to get to the third row or create extra cargo space. And speaking of cargo space, the Odyssey has plenty of it, making it perfect for road trips, grocery runs, or hauling all your sporting equipment. The interior is also packed with family-friendly features. The available rear entertainment system will keep the kids entertained on long journeys, while the built-in vacuum cleaner will help you with all those inevitable crumbs and spills. Safety is always a top priority for Honda, and the 2024 Odyssey is no exception. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance features that includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features can help you avoid accidents and keep your family safe on the road. The 2024 Odyssey is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. It's also available with all-wheel drive, which gives you added confidence in all weather conditions. The 2024 Honda Odyssey is perfect for families who are looking for a spacious, comfortable, and feature-rich minivan. It's also a great option for anyone who needs a versatile vehicle that can handle all of their daily errands and adventures. So, if you're in the market for a new minivan, be sure to check out the 2024 Honda Odyssey. It's a great all-around vehicle that's sure to please the whole family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.